And to Wall Street now, stocks opened this morning at their lowest point of the year. The Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 190 points yesterday to close at 15,739. The markets fell on weak corporate earnings and the Federal Reserve's decision to reduce economic stimulus money.
Wednesday's Fed meeting was the last for Chairman Ben Bernanke. Janet Yellen will take over tomorrow. Anthony Mason is with us. Anthony, good morning.
Good morning.
Let's start with the market. What's going on?
I think it's processing a number of things. First of all, as you mentioned, the pulling back of the stimulus from the Fed. Second of all, you've got a slowdown in China, which is weighing on things here. But really, I mean, the market was up 26% last year, Charlie. I mean, at some point, everybody's been saying there needs to be a pullback. We may finally be getting it.
So despite this uncertainty, especially in January, why is the Fed pulling back?
The Fed's pulling back because underneath all of this, the fundamentals of the economy are getting stronger. And I think this is something I've been hearing from business leaders now for quite a while. Everybody thinks this year is going to be better. Now, the cautionary note here is, of course, they've been saying that for the last couple of years.
The question is whether business leaders have the certainty feeling about the economy.
Absolutely.
So they will invest in new jobs and
hire people. Exactly. That's been the big question, and they've been reluctant to do that.
Yeah.
What about what's the effect of the Fed's decision on China?
Well, China, I mean, part of what's going on here is with the Fed pulling back, the expectation is that interest rates are going to go up and that investment money is going to move back to the States, and that's going to hit emerging markets, okay? But I think what's going on here with the market is just a readjustment and a recalculation in terms of, with the Fed pulling back, what's that going to mean for the economy? Is the U.S. economy going to get weakened if the Fed isn't pumping stimulus?
Will Janet Yellen be different in any way than Ben Bernanke?
I think in some time she will. I think in the near term, it's going to be pretty much business as usual. The two have been not necessarily in lockstep, but they've pretty much been in agreement about the way things should go. If anything, Yellen may be a little bit more cautious than Bernanke.
I remember when it was first announced that Janet Yellen would get this job, that you said she's going to be one of the most powerful.
I think she's the most powerful woman in American history until we have a female president.
All right. Anthony Mason, thank you.
And one of the most powerful women in the world.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.